What happens if you jump off a plane with no parachute?
To start with, we should establish that this is not a recommended activity, and it is incredibly dangerous. In fact, attempting something like this is pretty much a death sentence. So, we do not recommend it, and nothing we discuss today is intended to encourage anyone to try this.
So, let's get into it.
The first thing that would happen is you would experience an intense rush of wind. The rate of descent would be roughly 125 miles per hour, so the air rushing past you would feel like a hurricane. The force would be so incredible that you wouldn't be able to open your mouth or even scream. Your body would also experience some intense physical effects. The human body is not meant to withstand these forces, so you would likely experience broken bones or other severe injuries from the impact of hitting the ground. Your internal organs will also sustain intense damage, and you wouldn't be conscious to feel any of it.
Another thing to consider is altitude. If you're jumping out of a commercial airliner, you could be more than 30,000 feet high. This would cause a lack of oxygen, making it difficult to breathe. As your body falls, the air pressure decreases rapidly, which would cause your lungs to rapidly expand, potentially leading to a lung injury. Let's also talk about survival rates. If you jump without a parachute from a height of 1,000 feet, then the odds of survival are less than 1%. And if you jump from a height like 10,000 feet, then the chances of survival are 0. Yes, you heard that right, 0. People have survived falls from great heights before, but always with the help of a parachute or some other form of intervention. In conclusion, jumping out of a plane without a parachute is extremely dangerous, and we do not recommend it under any circumstance. The intense forces on your body, combined with the extreme altitude and lack of oxygen, make survival almost impossible. We hope that by discussing this topic, we've provided an interesting and informative look into the physical effects of free falling from a plane. Thanks for watching.